Westside United turns 5 this year. We launched in February of 2018, leveraging anchor hospitals and their ability to hire locally, invest locally, and support small businesses.
The life expectancy gap on the west side of Chicago is similar gaps like this have been seen across the country. Westside United not only called out the problem, but I think it broke it down into some basic areas. So it wasn't just access to healthcare. It was access to educational opportunities. It was access to jobs and local businesses, and it was neighborhood safety and infrastructure. 4 building blocks of what it would take to help build healthy communities.
We're celebrating our growth in the anchor mission space, where to date we've invested over $170 million with local businesses who are now part of our hospital supply chains. We're celebrating investing $1.8 million in small businesses across the West Side. We're celebrating our ability to help co-lead the City of Chicago's Racial Equity Rapid Response Team in the Chicago Department of Public Health.
The Rapid Response Team. This is how you bring these resources, this intelligence, this passion to the table to address what's impacting not just our communities, but this country, this world.
I'm currently proud of our most recent award of the Pritzker Talbert Chicago Prize Award. A new development, a built from the ground up wellness center in our corridor on Madison Street. That's major support. They're not doing it for us, they're doing it with us.
Westside United has brought together funding and resources, grants for small businesses that weren't there anymore, resources and jobs, and training for those jobs.
I am delighted to join you today, though virtually, in gratitude for the work Westside United has done for Sweet Home Chicago. I was proud to partner with Westside United to create the Live Healthy Chicago Coalition to serve those in needs throughout the city.
We're celebrating our growth of our healthcare partners in the maternal child health space by partnering to launch Westside Healthy Parents and Babies, providing doula supports and wraparound supports for birthing parents on the West Side. We're celebrating our partnership with the American Medical Association, where we are investing together over $5 million in additional supports, again, all to support the West Side.
The AMA is honored to be part of Westside United. It's really us working together to figure out how are we as AMA, the enterprise, really going to work to support the investment in Westside. And I think that it's really inspired us in very positive ways.
As I look ahead to 5 years, 10 years, I think there's the real possibility that the city itself, our region, can start to look at this as an example of how partnerships with business, organizations, communities, and government can do things that no single component, however big, could possibly do.
And Westside United is bringing the medicine, and there's a lot of communities, not just ours, around the country that are sick, but we can show them how we did it.
They've planted seeds all over the West Side.
Our hope with Westside United's health equity landscape over the next 5 years is that Westside United and its partners have identified, a framework and metrics that we're able to really capture, that real social return on investment of all the efforts that have been put forward, and that these metrics really demonstrate a positive impact and really show this shortening of this life expectancy gap that we know exists.
I am so proud to be a part of Westside United. This Ketchup is promised to the community. What we're doing is saying, this is what's going on. Hey, we want to hear your voice. Your voice is valued. And so I'm most proud that we've kept that promise.
My heart goes out. I say thank you for the work that you have done and continue to do.
We'd like to thank all of our partners who have helped us create a greater impact on the West Side over the past 5 years, and we look forward to working with each of them to continue this journey.